To use it on your computer, for example, you could download the app, or if you have AirPlay, Miracast, or Chromecast, you can just cast directly. I've got Chrome open here, so I'm going to go to the settings, go cast, save, and share. I'm going to cast, and then it shows that eShare is available, so I'll just press on that, and now I am casting my Chrome browser tab. Let's say I want to share my whole computer screen. I could download the app, then if I go to share screen, it just pops up my entire screen. So you can see here I'm casting my whole screen, but not only that, I can actually control this directly from here. So if I wanted to control my computer, I can just use this directly and control it this way. You can do the same thing on your phone. So if you install the app on your phone, I'm just going to click on the device. I can press TV mirroring, and now I can actually see what's on the TV on my phone. So you can see my phone is showing exactly what is on the screen here. So you can broadcast that way, or I can do mirroring on here and I can share my phone. So if I wanted to share the view from my phone, I could open my phone and I could share everything here.